Are you excited to put your hand on a brand new Armor X10 Pro? First, open the box of Armor X10 Pro. Take out the documentation packets, the phone, the charger, and the USB to Type-C data cable. Open the documentation packets. It contains one screen protector, which can strongly protect the screen. One layer. Take out the user manual, warranty cards, and the SI needle. Here are all the items packed in the box. Now it's time to take a look at the phone with 5.45-inch screen. There are 3 card slots to be compatible with 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. Long press the power key to turn on and activate according to the instructions. There are 2 ports with Armor X10 Pro. One 3.5mm headphone jack to connect to 3.5mm audio equipment, and one Type-C port for charging and data transmission. And it is equipped with 2 keys, one custom key for a single click, double click, long press. And it can be set up to quickly access to the Zero or other apps. One volume key. You are free to turn the volume up and down. Armor X10 Pro adopts dual super linear speakers, dual smart PA, giving you wonderful sound quality. It supports headset-free FM radio. Its main frequency is 2.0 GHz, up to 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of ROM, along with 20MP main rear camera and 5MP front camera. Armor X10 Pro is shockproof of 1.5 meter and waterproof up to 1.5 meter. With safe and stable Android 11 OS, there are no apps and redundant applications.